What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, howdy, my name is Zoe and today I have partnered with FabFitFun to unbox their new winter box. Mine looks kind of dodgy because I think it got messed up in the mail. So even though I've never done FabFitFun before, I know a lot of people who have had the box and I've seen like a few of the things that they've gotten out of it. Actually, my first giveaway, when I gave away a beauty blender, that came from one of my friends who had a FabFitFun box. Subscription boxes in general, I think, are just a really dope idea because it's just so much value for so little money. It's just crazy some of the things that you can get in here and like the amount that you end up paying for it. So FabFitFun, the way that it works is you pay $49.95 for each season, so that's what, like $200 a year, and then in each box it's $200 or over the amount of value that you have in the box. So for a year's worth you're paying for one box technically, and you get like a bunch of stuff. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna stop talking because I really want to see what's in here. I've seen like a few sneak peeks. I was really trying so hard not to look at anything, even though I really wanted to. I wanted to know what was in the box. I've been trying to avoid it, and then I don't know how the internet has figured out that I have one coming to me. One of the sponsored ads came up on Instagram and I saw that you could possibly get a blanket and possibly get a shower speaker, and I've wanted a shower speaker for so long, so I'm hoping there's one in here. I'm so excited! I never get mail either, so just to get mail that has like fun things inside, and you know there's fun things inside. And you guys, I've had this box sitting with me for like a week now and I've been waiting to film it, and I'm just oh, it's pretty! Oh, it's heavy. Okay, yeah, the box is a little bit heavy. There's like a little magazine thing in here. Okay, I don't want to look at this because I feel like it's going to like ruin it for me a little bit. I already see, oh! Oh, you guys, this is so trippy! Okay, so they have like a few card things on the top that, I guess it's like coupons, I guess? So they have a few papers on the top that's like coupons, but this is what trips me out. They have one for the purple mattress, right? I am saving up for one of these. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see in the story about it. Oh, $100 off a purple mattress. I've been saving up for one of these. Oh my god, this is the universe telling me something. Like, I'm getting like worked up over a coupon code, but oh my god. You guys don't understand. I'm sleeping on an air mattress right now, and before that I was sleeping on a couch. Like, our mattress situation is so messed up, and I hurt my back recently from like trying to move all the stuff out of my room. So I'm having major back problems, and I've been wanting to try the purple mattress for so long. And now I have a coupon code and a little spongy thing, which feels amazing. I feel like I need to just like, I need to center myself. I need to calm down. Oh duh, I didn't even tell you what the other things were. Okay, so what is this? Ooh, $30 gift card plus free sterling silver studs from Sterling Forever. I don't know that brand, but I want free earrings. HelloFresh $90 gift card. Holy moly. I was looking at this online too. It's like they read my mind. It's crazy. And what is this? Oh, cute. This is like a little referral card. So if you have a friend, it's like $15 off your first box. So you get a $200 value for $34.99. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, I guess I'll just start this. It's a candle. It's a really big candle. It's like as big as my head. Oh my gosh. I don't know what brand this is, but I love candles, if you didn't know that already. And I burn them all the time, so like even when I get decorative ones, they're just gone so quickly. But it's really nice. It's like, it's got a cute lid. So candle looks like this. It's like blue on the inside. It smells really good. It smells like really adult. Like I want to put it in a bathroom. I'm more kiddie. Like I like chocolate, vanilla, like I like food smelling candles, and my husband absolutely hates it. But I feel like this is like an adult one, so I'm sure, oh god, I'm sure that this is going to make my house feel a lot fancier than it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna make a mess. I can already tell. Oh my gosh, okay, I've seen these for years. This is a makeup eraser, which is like a little cloth thing. I've never understood if it's just a cloth or has some kind of like powers, like magical powers or something. It is very cute though. I don't have anything like this. In a future video, I'm gonna tell you guys the really ghetto sort of ratchet way that I take my makeup off because it will probably alarm a few people. I'm gonna actually start using this. This is cool. I'm just so excited to try this. I will definitely like demo it for you guys in like a future video, probably like another skincare one. I'm like butchering this, but I like that the packaging is like shaped like an eraser too. I think that's really cute. Soft Focus Glow Drops, Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer by Radial. I think Radial is the brand. Yes, Radial is the brand. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I don't have a primer currently because to me it is more of an optional part of my makeup routine, and if I can't afford it then I just don't use it. So I will definitely use this, especially like illuminating ones I think are really cool. Anything with like underlying illuminate. Oh, it's pink. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like musk, which I know in America isn't like a good thing, but if you're Australian or British and you get like the little pink musk like candy or like pink lifesavers, that's what it smells like. And a little bit like roses. Oh, but it smells so good and it is really pretty. Okay, what's next? Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. So when I first glanced at it in the box, I kind of thought it was a scrunchie, but I have really bad eyesight. Where's my scissors? I think it's like a makeup brush cleaner, which I would 100% need because I am the laziest person when it comes to cleaning my makeup brushes. I see all these girls on Instagram too where they're like taking photos of like them shampooing their brushes like every week. Like I know theoretically I should be doing that, but my god, it's a lot of work to wait for it to dry and stuff. And like to do every brush individually, like no, I don't have time for that. Instantly removes makeup from brushes. How do I get it out of here? Glide makeup brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color, no liquid or cleaner needed. Color switch is reusable, simply wash with soap and water, lay flat to dry. See, this is what I need in my life. I will tell you, when I have a makeup brush and I need to like, if I really need to change colors while I'm doing my makeup, I'll literally just like flick the end and like watch all the powder mess up my room. So I love this just because there's no water. It's pretty small so I can keep it like in with my makeup stuff. This is just a good idea. I really hope this works. Actually, where's one of my brushes? I just did my makeup. Hold on, I'm gonna go on my brushes. Okay, so if you've been watching me for a while, this is the brush that I use for my eyeshadow, for my nose contour, for basically my whole life. I can see the sponge like changing color and like I get the concept because this is basically just what I do with my hands. This feels really cool too. Oh, you can see on the brush, like my brush isn't like caked on brown anymore. Like I know the bristles are brown, so it might be a little bit hard for you to tell, but like even like nothing's coming off anymore. It's really cool. It's way more effective than you think that it's gonna be. I would have been happy if it just took like most of the color out, but it looks like it completely like cleaned this thing, so I am super jazzed about this. I've never even heard of this before. It says Vera Mona at the bottom. I think that's the brand. But I love that it's reusable. I love that it doesn't take a lot of time. This is a really good idea, so I really love this thing. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. Yes, I love Drybar so much. I've literally never used anything from there, but I had a job interview at it one time and then I accidentally just didn't show up. Whoops. But I know for a fact this is a good brand. Like, I've always wanted to try their like dry shampoos and stuff. So first impressions, it is very pretty even in the bottle. It looks like peach color. Formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers, this lightweight detangler protects hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and preps hair for optimal performance of styling products. Oh, so it's not just a detangler, it's like a full-on like heat protectant. I've never used another one that's not the Bumble and Bumble one, so I'm really excited to try this because I know that Drybar is a good brand. Oh, that smells good. It smells like the candle. Like it smells like fancier than I am. Alright, what is this thing? I've been staring at it for a while because it looks like pancakes. Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I didn't know you get makeup in here. Cool! And I've never tried anything from Beauty Bakery before, but I've always wanted to. This is the cutest packaging, you guys. It reminds me of the egg guy. You know, he like hangs out with Hello Kitty and that kind of stuff. I don't know what his name is. I can't get over this packaging, you guys. I think this is so cute. I hope that the colors are as exciting. Oh, and the inside's so cute too. Oh, they're little bananas. They're not eggs. What am I talking about? Oh, this is so cute, especially for the season. It's like all your warm tones. I love palettes like this. People say that like there's like too many of them, but they're the most wearable shades. Like, don't give me like a green eyeshadow and then expect me to wear it all the time. It's not gonna happen. But this is so usable, and I just packed all of my fun makeup, so I'm literally going to use this for the next 2 months. This has actually helped me out a ton. It's got some really pretty shades in here too. This mango pudding sounds disgusting to me, but the color is like hitting me in a good spot, so. Oh, these are gonna be so pretty. Also, if I didn't say this before in the beginning already, I love these boxes too, just because they introduce you to so many different companies that you probably wouldn't have tried before. Like, I had no intention to actually go out and buy anything from Beauty Bakery, but like now that I've got something from that brand, like they're on my radar, I'm gonna notice them when I go in the store now. So it's just a cool way to like find out about stuff, and it's been like specifically curated to be like some of the like best winners from the brands. So I don't know, I just think it's cool. I've been somewhat avoiding this because I had an idea of what it was and I didn't want to like get excited too soon, but yes! I get the shower speaker that I wanted. Okay, I just want to open it. I don't even, it's from ban.do, ban.do with the dash over it. I've wanted one of these for so long. Oh, and it's so cool. Oh, the buttons are so cute too. And it's got a microphone so you can answer the phone. I don't care what my husband thinks of this color, I'm using it. I think this is so cute, and I've wanted one for so long. Pretty sure the elves over at FabFitFun have been like in my brain because this box seems very specific to me, and I did not pick any of this. I had no say in what came. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this, I can't say this, Cusio? Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh, it's soap. I don't know why that took me so long to get there, but I'm there. I'm with you. I've always wanted to try having a bath in Epsom salt because I get a lot of like muscle pains and spasms and just my body's all jacked up. And I had someone at work one time tell me to go like take a bath with Epsom salt, but I don't actually have a bath, so I can't do that. So I'm hoping, because I have problems with my hands sometimes, if I can like put this all over my hands and just like wash it, if that like makes a difference. I really hope that it does, but that would be really cool. I clearly haven't used this yet, so I cannot comment on whether it suits my aches and pains, but I'm sure I will let you guys know on Instagram, or if I use this in a future video, then you guys will find out about it. But I am super excited to try it. I'm super excited to try all of the things that I wasn't able to today. I've officially showed you guys everything that I got in my FabFitFun winter box. It's completely empty. I'm just making a mess now. This has been my very first FabFitFun box, and I can't wait to get so many more because I'm just so ecstatic, so excited, so grateful for all of this stuff. It's all just a bunch of stuff that I never would have picked for myself. Like, it's brands that I've either never heard of, or maybe it would have been too expensive for me to buy on my own. But like in the past, that's been the way to like suck me into things. Like, even if something's really expensive but it came in one of these boxes and then I run out of it, I have to go get more, or like I have to continue my routine, you know what I'm saying? But as a FabFitFun partner, they did give me a code so that you can get $10 off your first box if you want to sign up to get this one or the next one, whatever one you want to get. Also, another thing I really love about FabFitFun is that they do actually use a portion of the money that they make to help different organizations. So this box actually says on the outside of it, in support of women's Alzheimer's movement, which is really cool. So, but as I said, if you want to get $10 off your first box, then you're able to use the code Cavey in the little box thing that they'll show you at the checkout, and that should get you the $10 off. I will leave all of the information for this video down below so that if you want to look at anything specific, like the names of things, I know I blew past it kind of quick, but as always, The information will all be down there, so if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me getting way too excited about things that most people don't find this exciting, but I am just so stoked. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you have not already. We would love to have you as part of the family. I love you guys so much. Bye!